Hey guys, Stick to Me here. So today we are going to be unboxing the SensorCan motion activated touchless trash can for your kitchen, and we're going to get into it right now. All right, so I figured I'd start off with a side view of the box. It's just been so interesting how pretty much, I would say 9 out of my last 10 packages have some serious dings in them. Hopefully this doesn't translate to anything going on inside of the box with the SensorCan here, but I just find it just super interesting that UPS, if you're out there, please be more careful with my stuff. Anyway, and of course you have the big thing, Tad, insult to injury, fragile, please handle with care, blah, blah, blah. So I digress. Let's flip this over and get it open. So again, this is the SensorCan motion activated touchless trash can, where if I just wave my hand over the top of the cover of the can, it will automatically open up. So excited to get this going in my kitchen. I'll actually flash an image of my prior trash can. We had a little bit of a, I guess you could say an accident where I tripped and I landed on the trash can, smashed up the top pretty good. And then as I was looking at it, I realized that there are a ton of fingerprints on the top of the thing. And I thought, you know, this probably is germy. Yeah, so, you know, most trash cans are probably loaded with germs on the top, particularly if you have a busy household and you have lots of guests coming in and out. I do not. It's generally just me and a few friends, but and my kids as well. But yeah, no, it's trash cans can be germy, so I love the idea of this, particularly in you know, sort of today's environment in terms of, you know, the whole hands-free thing, and it's just cool and a fun new toy. So anyhow, the main reason I bought this is this orange sticker here talks about how this is it can run on a battery. I'm super curious as to see how long the battery lasts. So the battery is an optional thing. If you have an AC outlet nearby, you can actually run it off the AC outlet. So, okay, so we get the box open here. Right off the bat, we have a nice looking full-size user manual, which I love, with nice large type, not the little tiny booklets with little itty bitty type. So we're very happy about that. And just really quick, so here's what it looks like. I love the stainless steel look of the thing as well. That's another reason why I bought it. And of course you have, you know, the sort of the sensors on the top. But so soft lid opening and closing. So it does, demos I've seen, it goes up and down in a nice sort of soft, slow way. It's quick opening technology, blah, blah, blah. VisioSense provides a visual alert when the lid begins to close. So it takes a few seconds for the lid to close, which is interesting. But I guess if you have your hands full and you're, you know, maybe emptying the garbage disposal or whatever, or the, you know, the little drain for your sink, if you don't have a garbage disposal, that makes sense. And then air vents at the base. And there's also an odor filter system that I've read mixed reviews and I'm super interested to try. So the documentation here looks really thorough, and like I said, I love the larger type. It's like such a nice break on the eyes from all these smaller manuals that I've been reading. So, and yeah, so there are a number of parts. So we're gonna actually have to assemble this bad boy. For now, it's just an unboxing video to show you what is inside the box. And I think I'll follow this up with a separate assembly video and then also a demo as well. But without further ado, let's take it out of the box right now. So, okay, nice little thank you card. I'm already liking this company based on the documentation alone. It looks like it is well written as well. And it looks like you can get a free sample of trash bags and also a deodorizer filter. So maybe that's what some of the reviews I've read online, folks have been missing that in terms of the deodorizer. There's also a scan tag where, you know, you can basically hold your phone, your camera up to the thing, and it will allow you to do a quick register, which I will certainly do. I've got in the habit of doing that, and it's actually served me well in terms of having to get refunds and so forth. So for some things. So all right, so I'm going to my favorite styrofoam, breakable styrofoam. Let's hope this does not make too much of a mess getting out of the box here. So I think I am going to tilt it over. Bear with me just one sec. Well, that was not easy getting it out of the box. It packaged in there very tightly, which I suppose is a good thing. less of a chance of having some damage happen during shipment, I suppose. And then again, lots of styrofoam on the sides here, which not a fan. It just makes a mess because you get all these little gazintas in your carpet, and it takes you like a month to get rid of them all. Look at this. I call them little styrofoam boogies, but hey. All right, so now back to the unboxing here. Another piece of styrofoam goodbye. And then we have this plastic outer wrap. And I'm just going, and with some more documentation on the outside. And it looks like just different warnings and things in various languages. So we're going to just remove that outer plastic layer. And I'll just say that I absolutely love the look of it. The stainless steel is nice and clean, and it's going to go well with some of the other appliances in my kitchen. So I love that part of it. And then the cover also looks very slick with the sort of stainless steel and black tuck. Ooh, yeah, no, this is gonna look really sharp looking. And I was afraid it was gonna be a little bit small because I tend to produce a lot of trash here, but it's a great size. I mean, this is certainly going to fit our, sort of standard tall kitchen trash bags. More styrofoam on the inside. I'll give this a little bit more of a thorough cleaning later. And of course, more styrofoam boogies to get rid of inside the can itself. So there is that. And then the cover is really, this is where the magic happens for sure. So here we have the cover and the SensorCan logo, which I'm not really a fan of having logos plastered over a project, but where it's called the SensorCan, that's kind of cool. It's a cool name and a cool logo, so sure, why not? And then in terms of our buttons here, we have, let's see if I can just bring this a little bit closer for you. So we have the open and the close button if you opt to actually touch the thing manually, but the whole point of this is to, when you wave your hand across the top, this should automatically open and then close as well. So absolutely looking forward to that. Kind of nice on the inside. Also, is this, for questions or parts, there's actually a telephone number right there in the inside of the can, which is cool. I'm interested to see how the trash bag seat on here, and like I said before, how the battery life works. Let's see, a plug, maybe it's inside one of those styrofoam things that I threw away. But I'll put more information in the description in terms of other parts. It could be that you need to order some of the parts separately, and it could not be that. I just really don't know. But for now, I'm going to set this up with the battery, and then in my next video, I will do a demo of this in terms of how it works, and then also I will do an update maybe in a couple months and report back in terms of how the battery life works. So for now, just a simple unboxing. I know I struggle a little bit to get out of the box before I'll fast forward through all that. But anyway, if you got some value from this video and you wouldn't mind giving it a thumbs up, I really appreciate it greatly. And I will just, I'm just gonna set this down here so you can see what it looks like on its side. And then, ooh, that opened very smoothly on its own, which is cool. So yeah, absolutely excited to get this going in the kitchen and see what it looks like. And we'll give you an update. We'll give you a demo next and then an update in a future video. So please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do all sorts of tech video, including videos like this, like this guy here from SensorCan. Anyhow, hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.